Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hansu. I recently got supplied this beautiful facial pot. And today, we will match this pot with one more plant. This plant is called Monstera syrtepicana. As a kind of monstera, it has climbing growth habit and has dark green with silvery color on the foliage. This is a totem that I'm going to use. I fully filled with sphagnum moss to give enough moist. For potting together, add some potting mix to the pot. Place the totem. Then take the plant out from the pot. I think I should have waited a little longer though. Gently place the plant to the right position and fill the soil. I can tie up the plant with any rope or cable ties, but this time I'm going to use this coil. Cut a couple of coils with nipper. And with pliers, bend the coils to make stake. Now place the plant against the totem. And put the stake one by one. As the ceramic pot was too tall for the plant, I'm going to cut this spare part to put under. I mostly give fertilizer after finish the potting. So it can grow well. If you finish, spray water to the pot every day. Then it will help the plant growth. Done. This is everything for today's video. If you follow my Instagram or YouTube, you will be able to see how this plan is performed. Thank you for watching and see you later.